What's up, Hammers? Johnny Morse here with Sack Caddy. We're out here in the Sack Caddy cave to give you a few tips on installing your Sack Caddy weigh-in bag fill system. Now, whether your boat has a discharge system in it or not, it just has a recirculation system, then the Sack Caddy is going to work exactly the same way in both systems. Now, what makes that possible is this three-way valve that's included in your kit. Since there are no pumps, no wires, no anything involved with the installation, and we're using the pumps that's already in your boat, this three-way valve gives you control over which way that water goes once the pump is running. Now, if you're tying into your discharge system, you're going to locate your line. This will be a 3/4 inch line down in your battery compartment, anywhere that you can reach it. Once you locate that line, you're going to cut that line in two. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that side of that line that goes back to your pump. So your water is going to pump out of that hose, and it's going to go into the bottom in this 90-degree fitting on the bottom of the valve. It's very important that this is your source. So the water is going to go into the three-way valve through this 90-degree fitting, and then it's got direction of flow, which will go one way or the other. This selector switch on the top of the valve, which will give you control over which way that water goes. So if you're tying into a discharge system, once you cut that line, you'll attach the side here on the bottom on this 90-degree fitting, which will be your source. This here will go out of the boat like normal. Now, on a recirculation system, if you don't have a pump out system, it's going to install the same way. Once you find that line that goes from your recirculation pump to the top of your live well and recirculates your water, you're going to cut that line. Again, this will be your source. This will be on your live well side or your pump side. So you may want to put a little water in your live well and turn that pump on, and that way you know which way the water is coming out of, or which side of that hose you just cut the water is coming out of. Anyway, that will attach here, and the other side will attach here of that hose that you just cut. And what that does, that completes that circuit. So now the water is going to recirculate in your boat the same way as it always has. At the end of the day, when you're ready to fill your weigh-in bag, all you have to do is flip the switch on your three-way valve, which comes with a 10-foot cable and an actuator switch, so you can mount this anywhere in the area. You can mount it up by the console, or you can mount it back in your battery compartment area, since you're going to be there anyway, getting your Sack Caddy out. So this three-way valve is the magic of the whole system, but it must be installed with the source coming into the bottom of the valve. If you get everything put together, you turn your pumps on, and you're pumping really slow, that probably means that you've put this hose on the wrong end, and you've put your source coming into this black barb fitting instead of at the bottom. Well, we hope these tips help you in installing your new Sack Caddy system. Give us a like on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram. Also, check us out at sackcaddy.com, tacklewarehouse.com. And remember, it's your next fishing derby. Whack 'em, then sack 'em with the Sack Caddy weigh-in bag fill system.